Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download high quality images from ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I've done, I've created a image inside of ChatGPT and here is my image prompt. Now what I've found, the key to getting a high quality 8K, 4K image is via the prompt. So you need to go ahead and add in at least 4K or 8K, and now that's going to dramatically increase the resolution and the quality of the image. So you want to, in the prompt, basically say generate a high resolution version, or if you don't like the image, we can also say here upscale the image before you download it. So we can go ahead and send this prompt to upscale the image, and now that's going to give a higher quality or higher definition. Now when we want to download it, you're going to see here the little download button. So basically click on that little download and that's going to download to your PC. Now we want to go ahead and avoid taking screenshots. Once you open it, avoid screenshotting it. And also another trick is just don't download it there. You can, but go ahead and click on the image and click on aspect ratio. So we can change aspect ratio and then download it from here as well.